Hello friend, this is Pankam. You're watching Profit Techno YouTube channel. So friends, as you are aware, like I did not upload any video like due to the like some reasons, and I was busy on another business. This is my second freelancer business. So I'm like helping to the developer to create the beautiful websites. Okay, so my main focus is to create the like travel and tourism website. So today is also topic to travel B2B website. Okay, you can see the screen, the middle one website, which is this is our portfolio, and this is the main website which is going to create. So let's check out the website. Okay, so guys, this was the website which we are going to talk about. So today I'll explain only the demo, like what are the features, how your website, how this website does work, and how this website is helpful to the travel agents. Okay, so let's start the demo. So start with the header. So you can give the social icon, customer care ID, your telephone number, your login. Access over here. You can the travel agents can also sign up, and you can also change the currency wherever you located in. Like we right now we are located in India, so we have given the INR. You can change the currency according to the country. Okay, so after that you can give the logo. You can also change the size of the logo. You can give home button. You can also show the mega menu. You can show the like whatever the hot selling hotels, you can give them, okay, in the screen in the mega menu. Same the whatever the hot selling tours, the holiday packages which you are selling in the market, you can also showcase in the mega menu. And tour activities we haven't uploaded yet because this website is working. We have just started this is beginning on the website, so we haven't uploaded yet. Okay, so the same thing, if you cannot showcase your hotels, like all the hotel inventory in this mega menu, you can the like travel agents can go here and they can search for the hotels, then they can also book that. Okay, so similar for tours and similar for activities, similar for car transfer. So why this is important, why we have given this, because this website is allowed to like manage your own inventory. Why we are saying this is the B2B websites? Okay, this website allow you to manage your own inventory. On inventory means, what does on inventory? Okay, so the own inventory, like you have a contracting with the hotels, like you have a contracting with 5 hotels, and they have a good relations with you, and you have a good rates with like other than markets. Okay, so you can sell that hotels on your website. Like I'll show you, I have this place of one hotels for just for an example, and the hotel is giving the best price to me, so that's why I'm just putting over here. The people can come to this website and they can book it, and they will not get this price on another website. Okay, so that's why this is the, okay, the hotel is not coming. Let me find out again. Okay, it's from 2nd to 3rd of May, June. Okay, let me search for that hotel. Okay, the hotel is not coming, not worry don't worry about that. So let's go to the Amara Grand. Maybe the Amara Grand is uploaded. Mhm. Okay, so no worry about that. So the hotel will be updated soon. Maybe the something is went wrong, because that's the reason. So I'll show you how you can manage that. Okay, I'll show you a complete demo, like how you can create that, how you, what are the things you can manage that. Oh, let me try again. Try it again. Let me try it again. Like it should be show that, because let me try it again. Search for that. Oh, is not, it is not coming. Uh-huh, let me show again. No, it is not coming. So I was thinking about Amara Grand Hotel. Yes, Amara Grand Hotel. Let me check it out again. Actually I forget the like what are the availability I have given that. Okay, now we got the availability, and the one hotel is showing. Okay, as you can see that, like after search the search engine of the this website, in the hotel websites, like I have just given the one hotel, because this hotel has a better relations with me, and I have a good rate, so I have just published on my website. Okay, so the travel agents can book the better rates, so they will not get any any this rates on the other website like booking.com, goibibo. Okay, so they cannot get any the good rates from them. They will only get the cheapest price on this website. Okay, so that's the reason, so we have just placed these hotels, and you can also similarly you can place the other hotel which you have a better contracting with you. Okay, so I'll show you the hotel. Like, just click on the hotel. I'll just show you like how does it looks like, because I'm not going to explain like what are the features, because I'll explain it later. Just I'm just giving you the demo right now. Okay, how this hotel looks like. You can choose the, you can give the locations. You can choose the gallery over here, hotels, and you can also place the booking options. You can also give the inquiry option if they have changed something, okay, in the hotel. So check in, check out, and descriptions about the hotels, and you can also give the hotel facilities, hotel themes, rules of the hotel rooms, review, and the review secures. Okay, so this is the how your hotels looks like. You, if you have your own inventory, you can put it over here. And okay, move to the tours categories. Let's move to the tour category. Okay, the same thing you can manage in the tour sections, because if you have your own contracting with overseas suppliers on India, you can manage your tours inventory over here. Let's show you the how your tours looks like. Just go to the Goa again, and okay, so we have a this package from Chandigarh. Okay, so I have given the name is Goa Calling 4 night 5 days package. It's a 4 night 5 days package. I have just given the 5 days. Okay, you can showcase some Goa, some like good places, so people can attract to your package. They can book, you can go ahead and they book that immediately. And you can you have given the, I have given the price as selected price 20,000, the complete tour on 20,000. You can also give them inquiry form if they have changed in the tour. You can they can fill the form, and you will get the inquiry form, and you can also call them by checking the number. Okay, okay, you have given that, you can give the some tour high overview, can give the highlights. You can manage the itinerary, the day wise program, the basically the people wants like what are the our schedule, like from one day, second day, on third days. You can manage that everything. I'll manage to I'll show you how you can do that. And also you can manage that inclusions and exclusions. This is the inclusions, this is the cross sign. You can see yes, the package does not inclusions. Okay, the tour location, what is the exact tour location, you can give that North Goa. And you can manage the hotel the hotel locations, you can also manage that. So this is the tour review. Okay, so I'm not going to explain you like how you can do that, how does it works. I'll explain it later on. Okay, so click on home button. Okay, so let's go to the activities. Okay, just go to the activities. I'll explain you. I have just placed for Dubai. Okay, just for the your demo purpose. Okay, so it is not coming. Okay, let me check it again. Okay, May, I have just put it on for June, not for May. Okay, so this activity is coming. This is the Burj Khalifa for Dubai. If somebody wants to book the only activities they have booked the tours with other company. They want to book the Burj Khalifa tickets, and they can come to your website. They can also book that. Okay, so Burj Khalifa tours will be Sheikh Mohammed. This is the locations. You can give it what is the durations. You can cancellation if you want to cancel that. So they can cancel up to 8 days. Group size, what are the group, like how many people can book together, like this is the language, it doesn't matter. So this is the overview of the hotel, sorry, your tour activities Burj Khalifa, and these are the some highlights and what you will do that. So the tour starts will 10 o'clock, and this is the departure point and traveler ticket, like from where they will going to pick. They have to we will pick from a guest entire hotel locations. So this is the inclusions, these are the exclusions. So this is the exact locations of the activity. Okay, so these are some frequently asked questions like when and where does the tour end. So type of, you can manage it accordingly, according to your tour categories. Okay, so this is the price which we given, 4,500 for per person. You can manage with the like, can divide by the adult, children and infant. You can also give the separate rates for the children, you can all give the infant. Okay, so this is the how does it works, tour, hotel booking, tour booking and activities. Okay, so I'm not going to explain the car transfer right now because car transfer is not important. So the main feature is hotel, tour and activities. I'll explain it later. Okay, okay. So hey, we have given the beautiful special offers. If you have a good offers like holiday sales, you can manage over here. You can give the options to like go to the newsletter, like they can sign up with your website. And if you have any updations on your hotels, if you have added a new destinations, they will get a message. Okay, you can manage that according to your mailer ID, or you can manage with the MailChimp options. Okay, so travel tips, you can also manage the travel tips. It will help to travel agent to make a uh, good revenue, good sales for you. And this is the trending tours, what are the trending hot selling tours, you can also manage. You can also showcase, if you want to just showcase your what are the trending hotel, you can click over here, you can show them the hotels, you can show them the activities according to you. But by default I'm going to select your tour because tours are the hot selling packages in today. Okay, so because I focus on the tours, because I'm not don't focus on the hotels, I just focus on the tours activities. Okay, so get updates I have just created with the MailChimp. I will explain you how you can do that. The people that will they can put their email address and you can get the email, you can send them the newsletter regularly. Okay, so you can see the bottom need help, you can see this is the customer care number, email address and social icons. You can give some other icons like about us, company, blog, rewards and frequently asked question, account, contact, privacy, terms and conditions, become local expert. Okay, so these are some features, and this is the very most important like this is the Visa and Mastercard. This website is enabled, this website accept the Visa and Mastercard. And if you accepting the Visas, Mastercard, this website should be have SSL certificate, which is very important because the payment security is very important for the customers. Okay, so the SS, how you can check the SSL certificate is enabled or not. Hey, you can see the lock over here, the connection is secure, it means your website is secure with the payments. So no need to worry like if anybody making the transactions on your website. Okay, so a scam will be not get enter on your websites. So this is the website. I'll show you the contact us page and about us page. Okay, let's see the contact us first. Okay, so this is the contact us page. This is a very beautiful design. So you can see this is the design by me, and we have given this pictures. You can, I'll show you how you can manage these pictures. I'll show you how you can manage this form. Okay, also will show you how you can manage this the Google Map, how you can enable over here. Okay, so let's move to the about us page. Okay, the about us page is very beautiful. You can see that we have given this is the our story. The people, the cartoons are like the company, this is a company name, they are rating about the our story. So this is the our missions, hotels, tours, our missions. You can give our missions, stories, and you can also give the flip icons over here. You can, after flipping there will be some be data will be display. And you can also give the chairman, your founder, wording. Okay, you can also give some some your like how life is a traveler, you can also give that information. You can all you can hey, you can give instead of these pictures you can give like your office pictures, office staff pictures, office locations pictures, and office how your environment pictures. Okay, so leadership, we haven't give the leadership team right now, we'll do it later on. And this is the website which is looks like. Okay, which we are going to create in our next video. So okay, I'll explain you step by step how you can do that, how you can make this beautiful website step by step from A to Z. Okay, you will be not to worry. Only what you have, you should have a dedicated speed hosting, which is you can see, which is, we can go to our Profit Techno website. This is our main website. This is our company name. The company will help you to create each and everything. If you are not aware how you can do that, you can contact us team and Profit Techno. We will help you to create a beautiful website, which I have shown you right away. Okay, so if you are aware, like if you just finding the better hosting, you can go to our page. This is a hosting page, and you can see this is a Fast Comet. We are also using the Fast Comet website hosting, which is the number one. And even they are providing a lot of features. You can see the features over here. So I recommend to provide, like you can buy this one, the $5.95. If you click over here, and you will be redirect to the offer. The 70% offer is coming on a hosting. Fast Comedy is providing 70% offer, which is a huge offer, mega offer, mega fastest easter sale. Okay, so here you can see the prices. If you click over here, plans and pricings, you can see the pricing. As you can see the on my websites, the same thing you can see over here. So I'll recommend to you buy this one. Okay, so get started. Click on get started, and you will be redirect to the other page. Here you can select your domain if you have already domain. So I'll explain you later on how you can buy this, how you can purchase this. If you are aware, if you're not aware, you can contact with our team profittechno.com. Okay, that will help you, but I'm not going to explain right now, and we'll explain it later on. Okay, so this was the video about the demo of the B2B websites. This is a very beautiful websites. So if you have any question, please let me know, and please share with your views as a comment. So I will be waiting for you. I will be upload the first video. The first video will be on next Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so I'll ping the ping the news on the my Instagram. My Instagram is there. You can see that. You can just follow my Instagram. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye. Take care.